the home page, hover the mouse over to Profile Picture and select Profiles. This is optional information, just for our records. It'll help us if you fill this accurately, but again, this is optional. After filling in the details, click on Save Changes. Also, by clicking on Acknowledgements, you will see a list of books that have helped us understand the principles of physics, and we have attempted to deliver them to you in an animated form with interactivity built in, so that your fundamentals are strengthened. At the bottom, in the footer section, clicking on Privacy Policy will show you our privacy policy. And by clicking About Us, it will tell you a little bit about ourselves and why we created this product. You can always reach out to us by sending us an email to support@vivaphysics.com, and we will definitely send you a reply. Thank you. We hope you enjoy the experience.